Permit me, please permit me, there's so many people that I should recognize. Permit me to stand on the existing protocol, please. It's so wonderful to see you guys this evening. And as you know, I'm representing His Excellency, Sir Dr. Siminalayi Fubara, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. I can see some people are still wondering, yes, I'm 72. Because that's what sporting does to you. I used to be the female captain of Rivers State in the 70s, doing what you're doing today. So it keeps you young, it keeps you happy in your heart, and you just keep looking young. So His Excellency has asked me to represent him, and the evening is fast spent, but I can't stop by welcoming you and telling you that it's so wonderful that we got the hosting rights of this, and at this time of this competition. Why do I say that? You know, when you listen to the news, when you read social media, in fact, people think that people carry guns on the road and they shoot people as they see them. But I'm glad you're here because you will be our ambassadors. When you go to your states and when you go to your different ministries, tell them the coloration is different. Tell them that when you have a civil servant at the helm of affairs of a state, supported by another civil servant, who is me, what do you expect? Excellent. And so that is why we all having a field day. In fact, some of us started working in the 70s. Yeah, I had my first degree in 79. A long time ago, most of you were not born. You see, when you come at those days, and Shell offered you a job, and civil service offered you a job, you would drop Shell job and take the civil service job. And that is where we are going to. And that's where you all are moving into in the name of Jesus.